I actually came across a cool little trick online for this rubber trim here. People actually taking a magic eraser, and I actually tried it and it worked. I didn't believe it. You can see just a little bit of elbow grease and it takes that fadedness right off of there. It absolutely destroys the magic eraser. I think it took me a whole one to do the other side. Alright, not 100% perfect, but it's way better than what it was, that is for sure. Nice to know that little trick works. A lot of elbow grease. Arm's a little tired.